Watch me fail my way through this fireplace mantle installation. Ensure that you read the fireplace instruction manual, which will tell you how far away the materials have to be from the fireplace unit to maintain safety standards. Spoiler alert, I had to redo this project because I did not have mine set to the safe distance. Right here I'm measuring how high up I want the mantle to be and marking it. I'm hoping to get a laser level for Christmas, but until then, it's the old 6-foot level for me. I want the mantle to be centered, so I measure the width of the wall, measure the width of the mantle, and then subtract the mantle width from the wall width and divide by 2. This tells me my edge markers to line the mantle edges up to so it's nice and centered. There's probably an easier way to do that, but I'm not great at math, so yeah. Right here, I'm searching for studs that aren't actually there, but I believe they are. So I'm going to assume that the batteries need changed in my stud finder and actually do that before I finally consult an old picture to confirm that there is actually no wood there. I don't have the video footage for it, but eventually I do give up on the stud finder and attempt a little maneuver called just the tip. This is where I put the drill torque low enough that it'll go through drywall but stop at wood. And then I just proceed to blindly drill until it stops at something. It certainly is not a professional method. Hey, if it's yours and you can fix what you break, then break it to your heart's content. Punch it, Chewy. This mantle will be a floating variant or type. It's basically a floating shelf. So I have to cut the 2x4 that you see laying on the ground into a type of skeleton that the mantle will slide over, and I will anchor the mantle to it after the skeleton pieces are attached to the wall. At this phase in the project, we're just doing a whole lot of gluing and screwing, putting this skeleton together. And that's it. This is what the mounted insert will look like that the mantle will slide over. So we have our bottom edge, we have our side edges. All we have to do is line this thing up on the studs that we marked out and mount it properly with some long screws. Moments like these are when I'm thankful that I have my kids around to pitch in and lend a hand whenever I need it here and there. Don't forget to perform the obligatory tug test. And here is the moment of truth. Did I measure and cut correctly? Will it fit? Did I mess anything up? And boom, slides on like a glove. I think I was genuinely surprised at this point that it went on as smooth as it did and was nice and snug. Look at that. I'm like, damn, can't believe it. Just got to check it, make sure it's level here now. And that turned out well too. Boom. The first time I mounted with 2-inch brad nails, I don't recommend doing that. Wait for your brown tipped trim screws to show up in the mail. Do it right. And there it is. It looks pretty good after I moved it to the right height and filled in the drill holes, and I was pleased with the result. Thanks for watching.